What's up, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Back out again, building the R34 Skyline. And in my previous videos, I talked about the first couple of mods that I wanted to do. The first thing I want to focus on is suspension, because look at that gap. Hell no. Anyways, I reached out to Tommy from PBM, PARTSBYMAX, and he went ahead and sent me a custom bags over coil kit. And the reason why I went with this kit and not the other ones is because this one is going to handle more like coilovers than the other ones will. So without further ado, let's unbox the box and see the quality of the coils. So there's kind of everything all laid out and stuff. But look at the quality of these bags over coils, man. These are nice. I didn't expect nothing less because I've had PBM parts before and I already know they're really good quality stuff. I had angle kits, knuckles, everything. But I've never had a set of PBM coilovers, and I've never, especially bags over coils. So I'm quite interested to see how these are gonna pan out. But shout out to Tommy from PBM for sending these out. Here's everything that was in those boxes. So this is pretty much Airlift 3P. Comes with everything. I went with dual compressors because I don't want to hear it filling up with just one compressor for like 5 freaking minutes. Yeah, I pretty much have everything to bag everything. Alright boys, I'm here picking up the tank because I got it painted by the homie. You better check it out. See how sick this is. He said I gave him like 5-6 colors, and I told him just to surprise me. But he knows what I like, so he's probably gonna do something cool. So we'll see. You see, fool?
I can't even get the box off now.
Ooh.
I don't know if you can see the rainbow in there.
You can't see it through the camera, but
No, huh?
not really.
It's really, really subtle. I wanted to keep it subtle, but you can see the red flake over here, like the red pearl part on this side.
Ooh, you can see it right here.
Yeah.
Right there.
Look, there you go, the rainbow. Dude, in the daytime, it's fucking crazy, dog.
Yo, this
It's
looks
fucking,
good.
dude, it's so subtle, but it's so simple and sick, bro. At
Yo.
different angles, like right here. Like if you, here, let me hold the phone over here, and then you walk over here. Look at the, you can see the red over here on this side. J-spec.
A-spec 100%.
It'll go, I was thinking about it, I'm like, the fucking white will go way better with the white wheels. Way better. That blurple would have just been hella out of place.
You know me, dude. Black with white wheels always.
Dude, I know, and when you pop up the tank at car meets and shit, it'll contrast off your wheels. That's the perfect ass part.
Oh my gosh.
Rich mob on the beat.
Alright, I pretty much finished the driver front. I'm going to go ahead and do the passenger side, and then I'm going to move on to the rear. So here's the other front done. Pretty much got it on. I already started the rear. In the rear of the R34s, if you didn't know, the coilover mount is kind of behind the seat. See, I already took off the rear seats. All right, let me show you what I'm talking about. So once you take out the seats, there's little access holes right here, and It's kind of dumb how they put it over here, but it's whatever. It's right there. So the other one is on this side. Kind of have to do it by feel because I kind of don't want to take this out and all the plastics. But yeah, I'll go ahead and remove these top bolts and then remove the bottom mount. Then it should drop. So here's the rear coilover. So all I gotta do is loosen those bolts up top and then hit this mount right here, and this thing should drop, and then I can put my airbag in. What are you doing, Luke?
Adjusting the struts so we have the proper ride pressure and it goes as low as we want it to.
I'm liking the way you're liking the way you're spinning that thing.
Got the
2 hands too? You're wild, bro.
done it a few times.
Spin on it first. Damn, even with one hand, you're pretty quick with it. What are you doing, Luke?
Mounting the valve block for the air suspension.
The valve cock?
Valve cock.
Valve cock. Nice. So what's the idea?
For mounting it?
Yeah.
So let me get this out of the way. So the valve block, we mount it up here like this, and the airline can go straight out here through the body vent, and then it'll be behind the panel, and it makes the airline the shortest route possible, and you don't have a bunch of lines running through the middle of the car.
Yes, sir. What are we doing with these spaghetti noodles?
Routing them so that they go through their spaghetti holes.
Spaghetti holes, yep.
Spaghettios.
You molesting my battery?
Yeah. No diddy.
You doing some Diddy stuff? You diddling my battery?
The diddler?
You're a diddler now. So what are those?
The fuses for the compressor. Oh, well, that just snapped. Don't film that. That didn't happen.
A1 quality, bro. Damn. It's all up in my guts in my car, bro. What you doing?
Running the airline.
Ooh. Some nice old clamps. You do. Oh shit. Full of brake.
You're gonna make me look extra white.
Extra white.
White?
Santa? Compressor's looking good.
Yes, sir.
So, what'd we do?
To mount?
Yeah.
They're just on a board with, on top of the, that's like where the fuel tank is. And then the tank will go up here in front of it, so you won't even be able to see them. It makes the routing really simple and keeps them away from everything and gives you maximum amount of trunk space.
Nice. Good job.
Thanks. Done this a few times.
Compressor working. Still gotta wire up the controller. Just feed it to the front.
And we're gonna have outside control of the car, you know?
Yeah.
You could be like the guys on hydros.
Yeah. I mean, I got an app too, right?
Yep.
Sweet. They did a nice job with this thing. White tank looks good. Petrol's right. You think Luke lip defender or what?
Find out. The skirt might be on the ground before the lip is through. Is it tucking? It is, huh?
Yeah, it's tucking.
Yeah, we're gonna have to freeze it.
Holy shit.
Having to raise it isn't a bad thing, because that means you're gonna have, actually, well, yeah, the front's,
So if we raise it, I'll have more lift?
yeah. But the front, you can see the side skirt's all wonky too, it's higher in the front. Your rear's on the ground, so we definitely want to raise the rear. How does it come? You can see it sideways. everybody with the printer? Yeah. Okay, let's check the other side. Then we'll just raise the rear. Even?
I don't know. That side looks lower. Or no, this side looks lower. Could be wrong though.
You're looking at it from a ways away, let me see.
Damn, that shit's on the floor though.
Yeah. Other side's lower, a little bit.
Yeah, right?
So, what do you want? Do you want it to be this low or do you want it to be the other side low?
Probably the other side low.
Okay, so we'll raise this one just a little bit and then we'll raise the rear again.
Oh my god.